Hey guys, Farhad Etemadi here, SVG Solar President, inviting everyone to our Solar Bootcamp number 2 here in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona. We're going to be hosting this event on August 13th and 14th. We're going to be going through some basic and advanced training and take a nice little tour through Titan headquarters. Make sure you check out these awesome testimonials.
You guys have a great product coming from someone who's been in the solar industry for a couple of years. Guys, you guys got an outstanding product.
Thank you so much for putting on an amazing solar boot camp last week. I highly recommend it. It's a great place to get all of the information that you need. If you have not yet registered for a solar boot camp, you are totally missing out.
Log on to svgsolarbootcamp.com to reserve your seats, and we'll see you guys soon.